Unongelam ko United Democratic Party UDP ubaderu umentri kampo yang barim uba Lahkmen rumbui ulaong babaro ki khat arngot ki MLA jong ka party kin trei borba nakabenta ban pynkhlain nya ka party nadu kisnong ki thau haswa jong ki election MLA arajar arvupra kani ka jingpen pau ka jong u kelawan long ru shisngi hadien baki laingut ki MLA ka Congress kilalat ban penyaso yala desha ka party liang senshar National People's Party NPP habakren shakila pathai ko bor hak arpho trek nailar uba rumbui ulaong ka UDP ka deka seng riulum ka bala rimtam haka jella kumta baro ki party kin persyang ban pynkhlain yala ki jong ki nongrim bat kin persyang ban kentiau ya ka jingdon brio hapo ka yendor bar thawan kumta kum ka party ngi baro khat arngut ki MLA ngin sa persyang ban trei shitom nakabenta ban pynkhlain ya ka party jongi nadu hapo kisnong ki thau khnang bangin yo I kumno kanlong hakani ka election ka banwan habakali halor ki sen jam ban khanglat ya ka jing persyang ban bethong ya ki MLA ka UDP uni unong mikmat na po amlarem ulaong ngan pendan kam ya ka kentien bethong namar mano bakwa ban let cheki we ki seng kade ka jing sngo shimet jongki namar kade ka kam shimet nakabenta jongi kumba kalong mentangi dan khat arngut bat ngila job ya ke election na ke UDP bat ngi bat scam ya ki rokam perkhat jong ka party bat ngin persyang ban le khat bala tang ban pynkhlain ya ka party henry ban bishar benia ru kumba piong balai ki babon ki MLA ki rungsha ki weipat ki party henry la da pen kan mau ha ka samai ka bala dap shuwa ki election ngidan tang khandiat ngot ki MLA ki barungsha ka party ngin do jingkermen ngin yai beteng ban trei shitom ula benram watla katta uba rumbui ula ong baka jing tunjuk ka bakrau jong ka UDP menta kalong ban pynkhlain ya ka ktam jong ka hapo rilum garu
I will not use the word poaching. Whoever join any other party, it is up to his own conscience. It is his own judgment. He is the better person to judge. For us, as of now, we are 12 of us. We won the election from UDP. We stick to the ideology of the party and will try to do our best. Not only to strengthen the party, we try to analyze also, as you said before, that why most of the MLA they join other party. But if you recall that in the last term before the election, we have a few MLA who joined the party. We will not lose hope. We will continue to work to attract. But our main challenges, as I said before, that how to get some bases in Garo Hills so that the UDP, which is, as I said, we could be the largest regional party. It should be a pan-Meghalaya party, not as of now. For the last three election, we concentrate only in the state, in Khasi Jaintia region. See, the UDP is the oldest regional party in the state. So every party are trying to strengthen their own base, is trying to strengthen their own number in assembly. So we as a party, as of now we are 12 of us. So we will try to work towards strengthening our party at the grassroots so that we will see in the next election how it is. See, the coalition dharma is there, where as a coalition partner, whatever we do, whatever we speak, it makes sense for that coalition partner. But having said that, there is no question of anything which hold us back. If there is any issue which we have to criticize the government, we will do it, because we are here to see that to strengthen the democracy, to strengthen the governance in the state. So whatever thing which we see that it affect the development of the state, it affect the prosperity of the state, we will not hold back. We'll criticize the government. We are a coalition partner.